What's really good, fam? It is your boy David, brand new,
With the mask on.
back with another video for you. And today, I think you guys might recognize this guy here. Okay, I think we share similar audiences. Today I'm here with Chris from Ebike Products. He's dropping off a bike. I'm not gonna show you guys that because that is a surprise, but I'm gonna just show him what we're working with over here. Okay, so we're just gonna take him around, just show him the bikes and see what he thinks. I think total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then one at my house. So we have 6 bikes total. So this one is the infamous red bone. That's the one that we did for my sister. That's the Lectric XP. You know, the friend. And then this is the upgraded, the one that I just upgraded. 3,000 watts. That's the battery.
That's a nice way to put it.
Yeah, it actually like worked because I put this high suspension on here. It raised it up a little bit higher, so which gave me more room underneath.
Yeah.
So it kind of worked out. And then that's the chopper that we've been doing.
That's amazing you got that fork on because even Bolton had a hard time getting it on.
Yeah, so we had to. What Bolton didn't do, he didn't get the right headset. You can take your pick. You can ride whatever one you want. To be honest, we can go for a little ride if you want.
I'm just really curious how that feels.
Yeah, it's different. It's cool. I'll get the battery for you.
It's
cool, right?
This is a cool bike.
Yeah, I told you it's different. Watch, let's go for a ride. Is it on?
Yep.
All right. Now the pedal assist, like number, that's linked to the throttle too.
This is sweet.
Yeah. Let's take it just up the street real quick and then let's switch. I want you to ride this one real quick.
Cool.
Yeah. California roll. All right, let's turn around up here. It's pretty fast, huh? That's crazy that you can get that much power out of the electric motor, huh?
Yeah, this is a bike actually for people my size.
Yeah, dude,
Totally.
I know. I feel crazy on it, but it's perfect. You look good on it. I'm not gonna lie. Try that one though. That's the beast. Be careful. Feel free to unleash the beast if you want to.
Are the tires the same for you?
Yeah. Feels different, huh? It's because that fork. I can't even catch them, guys. That's a 72 volt electric XP, guys. You feel it?
How do you figure out the electrical?
YouTube. I just learned. I just research everything. I just watch videos. I go on forums.
And people actually tell you, like, I mean, they show how to like upgrade the controller with the right battery.
Yeah.
I saw some of them here putting together, like, oh, I hope this works.
Yeah, no, a lot of it is trial and error. It didn't work the first time. We had to splice a couple of wires and stuff. Yeah. That 72 volt battery, that's...
Oh, it's a 72 volt.
Yeah, dude. That's why it's so freaking big. 72 volt, in here is where the controller is now. I took the original battery out because it's a beefy controller. I had to get the upgraded brakes too because of it. Yeah, man.
This is amazing.
Yeah, man.
This is not a bike for anybody who's not used to it, for sure.
Definitely. That's why I'm okay with you doing it. I wouldn't let anybody else ride that.